Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Claude with TradingView. To get started, open Claude in your browser and go to a new chat. This brings you into the main workspace and is a good starting point before making any account level changes. Once the page loads, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find your profile account area. Click on that profile section to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where Claude keeps the options for personalization, account controls, and integrations. After the settings page opens, find and click on Connectors. The Connector section is where you can manage external tools and services, including custom connections you want Claude to use. When you're in the Connectors area, move to the top right part of the screen and click the Add dropdown. This menu gives you different ways to create a new connection. From that dropdown, choose Add Custom Connectors. This option is used when the service you want to connect is being added manually rather than selected from a preset list. At this point, you'll be asked to provide the TradingView URL. Paste the TradingView URL into the appropriate field carefully, making sure the full address is entered correctly. It's a good idea to double check for missing characters or extra spaces, since even a small typo can prevent the connector from being set up properly. Next, enter TradingView as the name. This helps label the connector clearly so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you add more than one custom connector in the future. Keeping the name simple and accurate makes your settings easier to manage. Once both the URL and the connector name are filled in, click Add. This finalizes the setup and creates the custom connector inside Claude. After that, the connection should appear in your connectors list, indicating that TradingView has been added. If anything doesn't look right, take a moment to review the information you entered, especially the URL and the connector name. In most cases, setup issues come from small entry mistakes rather than larger problems. As a final tip, make sure you're signed into the correct Claude account before adding connectors, so the integration is saved where you expect it to be. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of connecting Claude with TradingView using a custom connector.